being obedient, we create peace at home, in school, and in society. Let us all practice obedience to grow into the better individual.
Mom, chill. I will listen.
You should listen. Obedience is important, not just at home but at school too.
One test won't change my life.
Scene 3. Next. Scene 4. After the test.
Yes, sir. I should have obeyed you. I am sorry.
Ravi, making mistakes is okay, but learn through them. Obedience is not about control. It's about trust and discipline.
Scene 5.
Obedience may seem boring, but it builds respect, responsibility, and success.
Obedience is not weakness. It is strength guided by wisdom. Mrs. Sharma, their teacher, gives important instruction.
Student, tomorrow's trip is to Science Museum. Please remember, stay with the group, follow the guide, and do not take any shortcut inside the museum. It's a big place and easy to get lost.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be careful.
Why make it bold? A shortcut means more we can see and have extra fun.
Ravi, didn't you hear, ma'am? We are not supposed to.
That's not only true. Let's sneak through the side door.
No, Ravi. Obey the rules. We might get lost or in trouble.
Suit yourself. I'll be back.
A dance that will show you the hearts will joy. Please welcome.
Today, I would like to share a few thoughts on obedience, a quality that is very important in our life as students. Obedience means listening carefully and following the right instructions given to us by our parents, teachers, and elders. It is not about fear, but about respect and discipline. When we obey, we show that we trust the wisdom of those who guide us. As students, our first duty is to obey our parents who sacrifice so much for us, and our teachers who work hard to shape our future. By being obedient student, we learn good habits, we avoid mistakes, and we grow into responsible individuals.